Alright, so this question is JP Morgan. This is called is possible. So let me open. So you give in a pair A and B, and you can follow in the operation to either plus B on the x coordinate, or you want to plus A on the y coordinate. So A plus B or A plus B, on different coordinate. So return a string that denotes whether or not AB can be converted to CD. So let's look at it. So you're going to perform, sorry, you are given AB equal to 1, 1, CD equal to phi 2. So what you should, think about this is, you got 1, 1, right? So 1, 1. And if you do, A plus B on x coordinate and A plus B on the y coordinate, you actually end up with what? 2, 1 and 1, 2. Okay, so 2, 1 and 1, 2, and let's just moving on. So let me write this in a bigger way. So 1, 1, and I have 2 way, so it's going to be 1, 2 and 2, 1. Alright, 2, 1, 2 for this one, you can actually go with what? 3, 2, that would be 1, and this would be 1, 3, right? And this will be equal to 3, 1 or 2, 3. Okay, and since we have phi 2, for the goal, right? So in this one, so let's say 3, 2, right? We can do what? Phi 2. Okay, it looks like we already hit. Or 3, 5, right? Or this one equal to 4, 3 or 1, 4, right? And this one will be equal to 4, 1 or 3, 4, and this is equal to 5, 3, and this will be equal to 2, 5. So this is a combination. I mean, not combination. Using the this operation to apply the new coordinate to find out whether or not AB can convert to CD. So in this solution, I mean the approach, you can actually tell 1, 1 can convert to phi 2, and you'll return true. So using this, you can find a way to write a solution. The idea can be using BFS or DFS. So DFS is like a recursion. BFS is pretty straightforward. You're going to add a plus b on the x coordinate, and then add into Q, and then another one for y coordinate, and add into Q, and then this will be the whole entire solution. And then until you reach until the end, and then you can return true or false. And then when do you want to break out the iteration? When the new coordinate that let's just say this is what probably like new x, something like this. If new x is greater than c and new y is greater than d, then you can stop the iteration. You can pull one of the node from the queue out, right? So let me let me go through the constraint. So A, B, C, D is between 1 to 1000, and if yes, I mean if you can convert, return yes, otherwise return no. So yeah, this is another example, I believe. Is it? Should be. Alright, doesn't matter. So here's the solution for DFX. So you have a set. The reason why you want to use a set is because you don't want to have the repeated coordinate over and over again, right? So this is x, this is y, this is c, and this is d. These are all given. This is going to be the set that you declare. And if x equal to c and y equal to d, this is possible, you return true. And when you return true, you return yes, otherwise is no. Alright, so in this way we create a string. Let's go state. So I'm gonna say, oh, there's a state in the visit. If so, then I will return false. or the x is greater than 1000 or y greater than 1000 or x greater than c or y greater than d, you return false. So imagine this is not happening, then you add into the state, into the visit, then you're going to say x plus y to traverse, and also x plus y on the y coordinate, this is x coordinate, and traverse, and then your return true when is true, and return true when this is also true, and this will be return false at the end. And then the BFS is actually pretty straightforward as well. You're going to have a visit and also the queue. So you add your A and B coordinate into the queue, and this will be the visit string you are adding. And then you are traversing until the queue is empty, and then you return null at the end, because when x and y equal to c and d, you return yes. And when x greater than c and y greater than d, you're basically not doing anything over here. This will be the first operation. You say x plus y on the x coordinate, y still remaining the same, checking the coordinate is in the visit or not, and also you want to make sure it's less than 1000, right? Less than equal than 1000. So this is probably how you add it. And then this is the second operation. You add your xy into the y coordinate and then do the same thing. So this is BFX and this is DFS. Both of them are pretty similar. Time is going to be all of them for both. And then space, this is constant. You probably need to add the visit coordinate. I would say like all of them for the worst case, but I would say it's also constant probably. I don't know. And this one space has to be all of them because you're adding a node into the queue. You also have visits, so the worst case is going to be all of them on both sides as well. So this will be the whole entire solution. Yeah, alright, see you later.